Hey Sarge, let's get some firewood. I'm hoping we don't need that much more. I think another 2 loads. Yeah, that should do us in. A lot of thawing going on. It's just saturated. Oh, we got a decent pile here, a decent pile there, and then we're gonna finish up splitting all this over here. So we got some oak, we got some maple, some cherry, some elm, quite a bit of stuff over here now. I was getting just the grapple loads of oak, and don't get me wrong, I like oak, but I wanted some mixed wood in there, some mixed hardwoods, and he came through. So, all right. So today I am going to fill. Sarge, come. Fill this cart up. All right. So we're gonna fill this up. This is what I filled the firewood up in, and I bring it up to the house. I think 2 more loads and we should be good for the season. And then when I can focus on getting the rest of this split up, stacked, and then get our bundle of firewood going, it's gonna be fun stuff. We're gonna come over here to our maple and ash, or what's left of it. Out in that field, we have several cord of oak, but we're gonna start running pallets around this bend, all the way around where Sarge is right there. I have a little bit of cherry, and then a little bit of that white fir. I think it's white fir. That's what I was told it was. But we're gonna let that dry out. It's been drying out since September, so it'll be ready to go. So this is our maple and ash, and what's left of it. So we're just gonna mix this in with some oak, and like I said, we're gonna fill that cart up and go from there. A lot of people ask why I do this, and it knocks off a lot of the debris. I'm not going to say it knocks off all of the debris, but it makes it a little more cleaner inside and handle it. And then when I throw it into the cart and bring it in, it'll knock off some more before we put it on the wood ring. Definitely ready for spring. Alright, so I get asked a lot why I split the wood so thin. Just these small pieces. We don't have a big stove. And the smaller the pieces, the better airflow I get, better flame I get. So that's basically why I do it. And they're easy to handle. And the wife needs to get at them. Oh, they're not the big honking chunks. So that's why. There's no other reason. I'll grab that other piece here. Come. Oh, boy. That's a good boy, huh? Yeah. All right. Break. Go. That's a good boy. All right. So think I'm only gonna need about 2 more carts full. I think we'll be good for the season. And maybe a small little tote bin, the end of March. But this should, these 2 carts should be able to run this out. Again, I whisk all the, sweep all the pieces of firewood off. Just something I like to do. Some people it doesn't really matter, but it matters to me. I want to bring in the least amount of debris as I can. Buddy, what's up? Hey, where you at? Where are you? There you go. Oh, what's up? This is Sarge, everybody. Hey, who's this? Who's this? Hey, who's this? Oh, all right. There's a good boy, huh? There's a good boy, huh? There's a good boy. Good boy. All right, come on, go play. All right, so we're gonna bring this load of wood in and call it a day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you have, thank you for coming back and stay tuned for the next video.